what sort of speed you're gonna approach? Okay, good.
Which exit am I taking?
Third,
Third.
exit number 3.
Look.
And on the floor says A121, okay? Thank you. And how was that?
That was good.
Well done. Good, good. Beautiful. Okay, so when you finish with the signal, what you need to do? Thank you. Okay, so now I would like to take the third exit again. Again, A121. Can you see that? Exit number 3.
Yeah.
So what do you need to do? Help you a little bit here. Okay, so we are going right, exit number 3, number 1. What do you need to do, number 1? What do you need to do? Okay, thank you. So the exit number 3, where is the churches? Yes? So this is 1. Quick with this 2. 3. Okay, so here, you're in the right lane.
So
Okay?
I stick closest to the...
No, just continue going. I'll help you. Okay, continue. Keep going to the right lane.
Yeah.
So it's come out from the right lane. Don't come to the left side. Keep going. Continue, good. So 1, continue. That's 2.
Yeah.
So now here mirror signal left, but stay where you are. Stay where you are here. Thank you. There you go. Job done. Okay. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Because you got car next to you. So if there's a car next to you,
You don't need to stay
you stay in the right lane. Continue now. When you finish with the signal, what you need to do? Good. Continue ahead now. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Okay, so the next roundabout coming up, we are going right, but you got, this is the second exit to the right, yes? So move to the right lane, thank you. So the first exit is towards Walter Abbey, second exit towards Enfield to the right side, okay?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Can I leave that one with you?
Yeah.
So right, second exit please, okay? So how are you gonna notify people where you're going? Beautiful, yeah. Continue now, see. Beautiful, continue, beautiful. Okay, so that's not an exit, okay? Good. So this is your first exit. What do we need to do now? What do we need to do now? Thank you. That's good. There you go.
Was the lane changing a bit too late?
A tiny bit.
Yeah.
Tiny bit. As soon as you pass the second exit, you got to come to the left side,
Yeah.
okay? And then a little bit, I don't know if you noticed, you slow down there.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, while you're doing the mirror signal, yeah?
Yeah.
So you got to keep going, continue going. Yeah?
Yeah.
So you got to keep the momentum.
Yeah.
Now I would like you to turn left at the roundabout coming up. Okay? Turning left. First exit. So who has got priority at the roundabout?
Us. No, them. Right.
Okay. Well,
Right.
okay. So anybody there?
No.
No? Continue then. If there's nobody there, continue. Thank you. Good. Thank you. Okay, so now another traffic light coming up. At the traffic light, I would like you to turn left, please. Okay, when you get there. Thank you.
Do I need to see when I'm...
What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
If we don't signal,
They won't know where we're going.
absolutely, yeah? how's your speed on that junction here?
That was a bit too fast actually.
Did you notice that? Yeah.
I didn't give myself enough time to look.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you learn from that?
Slow down.
Absolutely. So, at this roundabout, I would like you to turn right, second exit, right, second exit. Thank you. First, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I came in with my dad actually. This is where the chaos started.
Good. So now we're going ahead, and this is the test center.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you came with that. This roundabout was started.
Yeah.
Why?
Because my mom started telling me to go, and then my dad was like, no, don't go. Two people in my ear.
But God give you your own eyes. You can look
I know.
yourself. Okay, at the roundabout, I would like to turn a right at third exit, please. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, well, thank you very much. Okay, so when you finish the signal, yeah, continue ahead. Thank you. Okay, at the roundabout, turn right again, please, when you get there. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, this third
Yes,
exit.
please. Thank you. So when you finish with the signal, thank you. Okay, so nice and slow here, please. Go all the way at the end, nice and slow, like braking a bit more, go a bit more down, then turn around the car all the way to your side, all the way. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Beautiful. Good. All the way down now. Thank you. And as soon as you pass the van, the other side of the van, I would like you to pull onto the left-hand side. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Just secure the Lamborghini. Boom, boom. And stop. Thank you. Leave the engine on and relax. Okay. So, I want you to analyze your driving for me. So we done the big roundabout. So after the crossroad, yeah.
Yeah.
So we went second exit. Then we went turn around near the big motoring world, yeah. Then we done third exit.
Yeah.
Then we came to the home base. Home base used to be home base actually. So now call it Aldi roundabout.
Yes.
Aldi and B&M.
Yeah.
So there I'll help you there.
Yeah.
Then the rest, the KFC roundabout, the little roundabout, and the test center, you done it by yourself. So analyze it for me. How was it?
I think the Aldi roundabout, with the help,
Yeah.
was alright for a first time.
Mm-hmm.
But now I know I need to stick to the right, and then obviously keep the if there's a car on the side, and obviously signals always. The next roundabout was fine.
That was a KFC, yeah?
Yeah, KFC roundabout. I think that was fine. What's the name of the one after that?
A little roundabout.
Yeah,
Well,
little roundabout.
because we say a little shop there. That's why we say little roundabout. Left, we turn left.
Yeah, we turn left. I think that's fine, but I mixed up my words there when you asked who takes priority. I think I said us. That was that was wrong. Obviously, they take priority.
Then we turn left the traffic light.
Signaled, and then speed. I should have controlled my speed there because give myself time to see cars coming from behind.
Good, yeah. And then we came to the second exit to the right into this center where you said you came with your mom and dad there.
Yeah. That was fine.
Yeah. Then we done that one and this one.
I think that was also fine as well.
There's anything you could have done differently on your drive?
I think speed. I need to control my speed and mirror signal earlier, a little earlier.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So overall was good. Yeah. And then sometimes you're leaving your mirror signal a little bit late.
Yeah.
And I don't know why. What's the reason? Because sometimes I have to prompt you, if you know what I mean. Sometimes I say to you, sometimes I give you direction, and then when I see you not applying the mirror signal, and then I say to you, what do we need to do? How can we inform other people? What we're
but
gonna
I
do?
was going to do it. I think it's just my thinking. I keep thinking I need to get a bit too closer to the roundabout.
How far back?
6 to 8 cars. I know.
There you go. Exactly. Yeah. Right. Okay. And the other thing is, sometimes you're not. I don't know if you noticed. When you're finished, you're not cancelling the signal.
Yeah, something I do that actually.
Yeah. So what would be the risk if you leave the signal on?
The cars might think I'm going a certain direction and.
Absolutely. Yeah. Because once you're finished, not while you're turning. So obviously, you gotta make sure the steering straight first.
Yeah.
And then. So not immediately. So once you finish, let's say for example, if you win third exit, then as soon as you finish the second exit, made a signal left, and make sure the car is straight, then cancel it. Okay?
Yeah.
Not while you're dealing with the steering, because that would be too much. Yeah. That's all. Overall was good. Yeah, I agree. Overall is good.
Was my speed on the roundabout okay?
Yeah. Approach is good. Approach is good. Yeah. Good. Approach is good. And just you got to remember to do the mirror signal on time, and the signal cancelled when you finish.
What about positioning? Did I move out correctly?
Yes, it was good. Only the KFC roundabout.
Moved out a bit too late.
Tiny bit. Yes. And you noticed that as well. Okay. That's all. Good. So knowing what you know now, when we go back, what are you gonna change? What are you gonna do differently?
Mirror signal earlier to give drivers behind earlier direction of where I'm going. Stay in position, speed control limit, control speed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Beautiful. Good. So thank you guys. That was another video. Is continue to the first video. Continuation to the first video, and she's successfully done the big roundabout, and that was the feedback analyzation. If you find the video useful, please like, share, subscribe for more content, and if you want to learn to drive, let me know, help you to succeed. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Turn off engine please. Okay.